Are you waking up 2, 3, maybe even 4 times a night just to use the bathroom? It's not just about bad sleep. This could be your prostate sending you a warning. Now, here's the truth. After 60, every man should have a serious talk with their doctor about prostate health. But guess what? That talk almost never happens. And no, I am not talking about more pills or painful procedures. I am talking about 3 simple daily habits that can completely change your prostate health. Habits proven by science. Habits that can work better than many expensive medications. Stick with me because the third one will absolutely surprise you. First, let's talk about your prostate. It's a small gland about the size of walnut right under your bladder. And here's the problem. It wraps around your urethra, the tube that carries urine out. As men age, that gland grows. And when it grows, it squeezes the urethra. Think of it like stepping on a garden hose. That's why so many men after 60 struggle with weak urine flow, feeling like the bladder never empties and waking up all night to pee. But here's the shocking part. You don't have to accept this as just aging. There are natural ways to prevent and even reverse these problems. Habit number 1, smart hydration. It's not just about drinking water. It's about when you drink it. Drink plenty in the morning and afternoon. But after 6 p.m., cut way back. Just sip if you are thirsty. Why? Because this keeps your prostate and bladder happy during the day and gives you peaceful, uninterrupted sleep at night. Habit 2, the strategic walk. After each main meal, take a short 10 to 15 minutes walk. Not a workout, just a light stroll. This keeps your blood sugar steady, reduces inflammation, and directly protects your prostate. Science shows it works better than one long walk a day. Habit 3, natural prostate cleansing. This one shocks most men. A Harvard study of 30,000 men showed that those who ejaculated more often, around 21 times a month, had up to 33% lower risk of prostate cancer. Why? Because it helps flush out toxins, dead cells, and keeps the prostate clean. It does not matter if it's with a partner or alone. From a medical point of view, it's healthy, normal, and good for your prostate. Now listen, none of these replaces your regular checkups. Men over 60, your PSA tests and exams are critical. Early detection saves lives. But these 3 habits, they can completely change how you live your later years with energy, independence, and confidence. So tell me, which of these 3 habits surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know where you are watching from. And if this video gave you value, hit like, subscribe, and share it with a friend, brother, father, or son, because the right information at the right time can truly change a life. Your health is your wealth. Protect it. And don't forget, subscribe for more health tips. Thanks for watching.